Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add chart title in Excel. Open an Excel sheet, select your data and go to Insert button. Click on any of the chart that you want to add and then press this plus icon and click on this chart title option. You can add exist titles too. Click on it and you can edit the exist title from here. Let's say we want to give the name of marks. We can write down marks. Sorry, it's a name area, right? Names. And we'll give this exist titles as result marks. Yep, you can delete this thing with the delete button. You can add the chart title from here. You can make it blank or add some chart title. Just simply click on the plus button and click on the chart title. It will be added then. So yep, hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.